Anywhere you go, you belong.
Hi guys, good morning! Last day namin dito sa Pinas ngayon. And dito kami sa aming Airbnb. Ayan si Sumit.
I'm sick.
Yeah, me too. I'm sick. Sobrang gulo ng mga bagay-bagay.
Huh?
Nothing. I'm just like saying it's messy right now. Yun lang. So mamaya pupunta na kami ng Pasay. Nag-ano kami. Airbnb kami galing doon sa kasal ni ate. Kasi akala namin makakasama pa si na mama at papa. Kaso nga lang kasi coding pala si kuya today. So parang pinilit na lang namin si na mama na umuwi na diretso ng Alcala from here. Kasi hindi naman pwede magmadaling araw si papa at mama kasi nga matanda na. Hindi naman makakakita si papa kapag nag-drive ng madaling araw. Kaya parang mas safe na lang na mag-travel sila ng umaga kahapon. So hindi na sila sumama sa amin dito. Kami na lang ang nagstay dito ni Kuya, Ate Marie, tapos ako tsaka si Sumit. Pero itong binok namin is good for 6 packs actually. Ay, sorry. Naglaba kasi ako ng aking mga panty. Eto. Ay, ano ba yan? Nagulo-gulo na yung camera. Etong room na to, good for 2 packs. Tapos, dito kami natulog na 4. Pero tulog pa si Ate Maria. So, mamaya na yan. Mag-ano lang ako, impake ng mga gamit. Para soon makapunta na kami sa Pasay. Tapos, kasi ang aming flight later is mamaya pang 7 p.m. Ayan, check-out dito is at 3 p.m. yata. So, meron pa kaming ilang oras. Pwede pa kaming... Tsaka kasi yung mga gamit namin nasa Pasay pa kasi kukunin lang naman namin yung mga gamit namin sa Pasay. Tapos, itong mga... Ito, kasi puro labahin. Ang gulo, bakit ganyan yung camera? Wait lang, guys. Ayan, ito... Ipapalaba to. So, iiwan na tong mga to. Kasi since summer clothes naman tong mga to, iwan na lang siya. We're going to the airport na. Bye-bye Pasay. Bye-bye Philippines. Pumasok mo rin pala sa Ate Marie sa work niya. Hatid lang kami ni Kuya dyan sa baba. Ay. Ha? Yep. So, ang flight namin is around 8 p.m. plus. Hindi ko alam ang exact time.
Where's the mask?
Oh, I forgot to take. Wait lang.
Look at this. Hey, Mama.
Ay, kuya na, husky yan ah.
Husky? No. Aspen. Oh,
Ah.
Aspen.
Husky eh.
Hello. Aspen.
It's a husky to me.
It's a husky.
Aspin, have husky.
Husky Pinoy.
Oh.
Oh. See? Going inside na. Half husky, half Filipino.
That's the owner.
Half husky, half Filipino. Are you gonna miss the spider web?
Yeah.
Spider web, sabi niya. Spider web in Pasay. You gonna miss it? Huh?
The engineers must be
Must be what?
God.
Must be what?
God.
Why?
To find the right wire.
When,
How to find
pag may sira daw, paano daw hanapin ang sira dyan? So, sobrang dami.
repair.
Meron kasi nangangampanya dyan sa harap kaya hindi na makapasok yung Uber.
Here, Kuya. Delivery.
Ito ba?
Yeah.
Sumit, this one too. Have space or no? Dito na kami sa airport, guys. It is now 5:11. Umalis kami ng mga 4:15, ganyan. So, 1 hour din. Still fine. Pasok na tayo. Baggage drop-off kami. Sobrang gulo. Ang gulo niya. Kakatas lang namin nag-check-in, guys. Ayan. So, kanina sinisingil ako ng travel tax. Pero, kapag PR ka na pala ng ibang bansa, tapos nag-stay ka outside the Philippines, and then you visit Philippines for less than a
1
year?
year.
A year. So, exempted ka na sa travel
No
tax.
need to pay.
So, punta ka lang sa, tawag dito, sa kiosk ng travel tax. Tapos, parang doon na nila i-assess kung magbabayad ka ba ng 1,600 plus or exempted ka na. So, na-exempt ako kanina. And now, we're gonna go to the
Proud
security.
of it. I'm proud of myself.
Yeah, proud na siya kasi nagawa siya ng research
Are you?
niya. Yeah, I'm proud of you. Ginawa niya yung research niya kanina kasi kanina sinisingle na ako ng 1.6 eh.
Because I read online.
Ha?
I read it online on their website.
Ah, nice. Come on, let's go na. So, napunta na kami ng security. Tapos, very, good decision na umalis ng maaga. Kasi kanina sabi namin ni Sumit parang okay lang naman na umalis ng bahay nila kuya ng 6:30 p.m. Buti na lang, hindi pala kami umalis ng 6:30 p.m. Mga 4:15, mga ganyan. Kasi grabe yung traffic doon. Tapos, dito ang haba rin ng pila para lang mag-drop ng baggage. And for sure, sa security din, mahaba pila. Tingnan nyo naman. Ang gulo-gulo dun sa may Cebu Pacific kanina. Halo-halo kasi yung international and domestic. Tapos na kami sa immigration na security, guys. Mas marami pang tinanong sa akin ng immigration officer kaysa kay Sumit.
Yeah.
I was wondering why, sabi ni Sumit.
My immigration officer, he was so nice.
Oh, for me,
He said, "Are you PR of Canada?" I said, "No, not yet. I have work permit."
hinanapan ako ng PR, yung OCI card ko from India. Hinanapan ako ng marriage certificate namin ni Sumit. Hinanapan ako ng work permit namin from Canada. Di ko alam bakit. Pilipino ako na mag-exit lang naman. Pupunta lang naman ng Kuala.
Like you have Filipino passport,
Yeah, punta lang
so it
naman.
doesn't really matter.
Yeah, punta lang naman ako ng Malaysia, guys. Ang daming tanong ni ate, bakit ganoon? Malaysia lang naman po ako. Ayan. So, tapos lang namin sa, security. Now, we're gonna be going to our, gate na. What's the gate number again?
I don't know. 105. Yeah.
105. Okay, this way. So the time is 6:47. Ang flight namin is 8:20. Bili lang kami ng milk tea.
I thought they are only in Canada.
Is it? Tapos isang large na pearl milk tea, pero walang pearl, pwedeng pudding.
Nakapix na yun.
Naka-fix na yung pearl.
Meron kaming alakay. No need for pearl.
Wala na lang pearl.
Less size. Alakay.
Oo.
Less
Tapos
ice.
less ice.
Large po din.
Large din.
Sugar.
Sugar level.
Okay.
Normal lang. For both.
Thank you. Still okay?
After this, again. Very comfy ang outfit. After this, diretso na kami sa aming gate.
Is ngayon kay sa type ko kaya niya po yan.
Yung Spanish. Bumili lang ng burger sa Sumit. Andito na yung aking drinks.
Your one has coffee in it.
It tastes like coffee.
This one is nice.
Hmm?
How's that?
How?
Yeah, it tastes like coffee. But it's nice.
Yeah.
So where to go up?
Maybe you're gonna find McDonald's here. Or no. Akyat daw siya kasi may McDonald's. Hindi niya daw mahanap kung paano umakyat. Kasi gusto niya mag-take out ng burger. Wala nang burger si Sumit. Hindi na daw pwedeng lumabas ang McDonald's sa labas lang. Wala nang McDonald's here. Sumit, come here. I'll show you something. Sumit! Wait lang, Sumit. Come here.
What the hell is this? Why they
Oh
make
my god.
For what?
Let's gonna. Oh, you can see me Pasay here. Is this Pasay? Hello. Nice. Nice, huh? Tara, let's go na. Boarding na us, guys. Oh, another pila here. There's another line. Ah, no. Diyan pala kami galing. Tapos nakabili sa Sumit ng aming pagkain. Hindi siya nakahanap ng kanyang McDonald's burger. What is this? Kenny Rogers? Oh, Kenny Rogers.
But it's a little expensive. The burgers and everything.
Oo.
It's like the Navy, what? The Army Navy?
Oh, yeah.
Is it?
Yes.
Same like that. Prices are high. But it looks good.
I haven't tried it yet.
It looks good. The beef patty looks
Oo. First time ko pala magta-try Kenny Rogers. Or maybe na-try ko na before. I'm just not sure. I can remember na.
Jackie.
As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seatbelt upright.
Visiting.
Use of electronic devices
Dito sa
such as
Sumit.
laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any
Dito ako.
smart-producing equipment is
Sa
not
aisle kami
allowed.
pareho.
Smoking is strictly prohibited.
Not bad na rin. Lumipat ako ng upuan, guys. Magkatabi na kami ni Sumit. Pero dun yung upuan ko talaga. So, no, not yet. Mag-edit lang ako ng video. Oh, yeah. So, I edit later then. We eat first.
Your laptop. Put it here.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored again?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry.